Hi, so we're going to have a very quick chat about emergency lighting systems. Some people don't realise if you're a building owner that you actually have a legal obligation to provide emergency lighting throughout a premises that's fit for purpose, installed correctly, designed correctly and maintained correctly. So the importance of emergency lighting is you have a complete power outage in a building and all you want to do is get the people in the building out of it with no power in it. So typical sunny day with loads of windows in the building, it's not going to be a big issue. But if you're in a building that has caught fire and is filled with smoke, the emergency and the escape lighting become absolutely key in helping people get out of the building. IS 3217, which is the emergency lighting standard, is what governs that here anyway in Ireland. And if you need a system designed, installed, or commissioned that fulfills the criteria laid out in that standard in terms of the competency of the people doing that, we can help you with that. We can help with system design, system maintenance, and the engineers that do that here hold the relevant NSAI qualifications, and it's all overseen by somebody who holds a master's degree in fire safety engineering. So you're in safe hands if you choose to speak to us about your emergency lighting systems, or if you just need a current system audited to confirm that you're compliant with the standards and that everything is working the way you expect it to work in the event of an emergency. Thanks for your time.